How's it going, Modern Manual Therapy viewers? Dr. E here, back with another video on how to use a popular mobility product completely pain-free. In this case, we're talking about a mobility ball, and this is our Edge mobility ball. Our design has a hard core, but a soft kind of woven fabric outside, much like other products. And most of my instructions, you can make any technique that works painful, you can make it 100% pain-free. So in this case, we're going to use breathing and the placement of a mobility ball, not to kind of smash a trigger point into non-existence, but just how to tune down your nervous system with some deep belly breathing. So instead of actually just putting it in your upper trap and rolling around on it until you smash it or you make your nervous system kind of relent and decrease the tone, you can just place it for emphasis on tenderness, but you're not going to roll around or move on it. So if I feel some tenderness there, I'm going to take a deep breath in, make sure it's diaphragmatic, and then exhale as long as slow as I can. So at the end of the exhale, you want to hold for 2 or 3 seconds. If you tend to abort the exhale and inhale too fast, you might be stuck in more of a facilitatory state. If you want to tune down or tone down your nervous system and decrease tone, you want to make the exhale 2 to 3 times as long as the inhale. So the net effect of having that inhibitory effect on tone is the longer, if your exhale is longer than the inhale, then tone will tend to decrease and the nervous system will kind of tone itself down. So deep breath in. After 3 to 4 breaths, you should feel a significant decrease in tone and tenderness. If not, this technique is not going to work, and it's highly doubtful that smashing it or mashing it would as well. So you abandon the technique and try something else. But you'll be surprised, much like how many people are surprised, you can scrape lightly and wrap lightly or mobilize a lot lighter than you ever thought possible and still get the same effects. Remember, these effects are all neurophysiologic, they're not mechanical, so you don't have to press hard to get big gains. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, modmt.com/Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, your social platform of choice. Subscribe to themanualtherapist.com via email so you don't miss any of our awesome blog updates. Check out all of our mobility products like the Edge Tool, Edge Mobility Ball, Edge Mobility Bands, and the Edge Suspension Trainer, along with our new BFR cert with Dr. Kyle Coffey at edgemobilitysystem.com. Check out modernmanualtherapy.com, over 600 videos and counting. That's our premium subscription site. I hope to see you at an Eclectic Approach course soon, and you have a great day.